Wide Open Outdoor Adventures with your host, Dave Altiera. We'll make you a better sportsman.
Subscribe to the Wide Open Sportsman YouTube channel today. Alright guys, we have a morning hunt on Wide Open Outdoor Adventures, and we got 2 decoys out here, and I'm self-filming, so I've got one camera on this decoy, one camera on this decoy. So I've got Henrietta, and then I've got the elegant girl over here. She's all pretty. So Wide Open Outdoor Adventures coming your way right now. Turkey hunting, South Texas. Gonna get good. Alright man, I'm blending in the back of the blind. I'm all blacked out. Everything's black and wide open today. Turkey hunting. Called in that Tom, but he got kind of hung up and he left. He's still there. He's strutting right in that field right there, right next to this fence. If I can pull him in, it'd be a miracle. I gotta try. That's my problem. I've got real hens over there with these toms. I've got one right there. He's strutting, but he's kind of hung up. I've got an awesome setup right here. Tom coming in. And Big Tom strutting. Got him gobbling down and wide open. A good solid thump. Good body shot. Awesome, awesome. Now that's why I hunt. Awesome. Got him. That was awesome, man. This was my setup. I had one decoy over here, Henrietta, and I had the elegant decoy with a lot more detail on her right in front of the pop-up blind. I knew that the turkey roosted in these trees, so I basically got set up so that I could make the bow shot either through that window to the right or the window that I chose, in this case, straight out of the blind. I didn't really know which decoy would draw in birds. Turns out this was the money maker. Let's check her out. This decoy is very, very, very similar to a hen. Every one of these feathers has a little paint job on it and little colorations. Henrietta's a lot more plain, and she just slides right around on this dowel. So if I bring her over to you, you can see there's a lot of detail in her feathers. And of course, we got to look at Henrietta. I got to show you her. This is my best decoy, really. Elegant girl got it done today, but Henrietta has a little bob she can do. Look at that. That'll call in a lot of toms. She's lightweight, so it doesn't take much wind for her to move around. So sometimes you want to set up a single decoy spread, sometimes no decoys, sometimes a jake and a hen, sometimes a big tom and a hen. Just kind of depends on how the turkey are reacting. If I feel that little wind, I feel a little wind blowing. Look, Henrietta's already moving. She knows how to work it, but it's that little bob right there. That's the money. This decoy has called in a lot of toms on the wide open. That's what I'm talking about. Turkey feathers. I got 3 turkey feathers cut by the arrow. Let me show you the tips of these. We're going to track them. Look at that. That blade cut very well. Wata. Let's find him. Luminox, still lit. All right. Got the arrow. Let's find this turkey. Gobbler down on wide open. Oh, a beautiful mature tom. Got him with a bow, man. I tell you what, I remember that first turkey I got with a bow. It was cool. Every one of them is awesome because you gotta call them to you or you gotta ambush them. Look at the wingspan. This is a trophy. This is a trophy right here. And look at this big, huge fan. Awesome trophy on wide open. Let me give you a tip. Here's the deal. If you're hunting and you got windy conditions, some people are gonna give up or they're gonna try to call downwind. There's a problem with that. You can't hear that gobbler gobble back at you. So you want to, in my opinion, call into the wind. And you're gonna have to call louder than typical. But that way when he gobbles, his audible sound comes to you and you have a better chance. So windy conditions can be very difficult. Some people even don't hunt toms in windy conditions. I do. Just hunt into the wind. Let's take this bird out now that it's getting sunny outside. I want to take this bird from this shady spot over here to the sunshine and show you what the beauty of a Rio Grande Tom really looks like in the spring sun. Come on. Let's take him. Take him to the sun. All right, guys, I just laid out this turkey here in the sunshine to show you
what the colors look like, and then the ranch dog comes over and says hello. So turkey season can be awesome, especially spring. These animals will come to you. You can call them in, you can pattern them, you can shoot them with a shotgun, you can shoot them with a bow, you can even shoot them with a rifle. It's all legal. Just work inside this season. Spring turkey season is on fire in South Texas. I got this mature tom with a bow, and then the ranch dog came over to say hello and wanted to smell the turkey too. So I'll see you next time on Wide Open.
Special thanks to our amazing sponsors. We couldn't do what we do without them. Visit wideopensportsman.com every day for your daily fix of adrenaline. Just get out there. You know, it's always wide open.